Let's review tariffs from the US on the auto sector. The latest round of tariffs that we've seen come through from the US President Donald Trump is on the auto sector. Now that's a 25% tariff on any car imported into the US, and that's going to become effective as of April the 3rd. What we also know that has come out with this announcement is that on May the 3rd, we're expecting to see from the US a 25% tariff on any component that's also used. Now, the theory from Donald Trump is that by placing tariffs on these imports, it should help spur domestic demand within these sectors and be supportive for US internal growth. Now, as you might expect, we've seen a series of statements released from Europe, Japan and Canada, who all have large auto sectors themselves, condemning the tariffs that we've seen from President Trump and stated that they're looking to speak with him, but they might also look to go down a retaliation route themselves by placing tariffs on US imports into those regions. Now, Donald Trump has also stated that should those regions combine together and look to place tariffs on the US that damage economic growth in the US, he will also look to place further tariffs on those countries and sectors. He could do that by placing tariffs on new goods or increase current tariffs. Trump also talked about placing tariffs on new sectors that he hasn't already done so, and that was within lumber, pharmaceutical drugs, and also semi-conductors. So really what is important in this is what was the market impact of this statement? Well, we saw US equities last night close down about 1%. And if we dive into some different sectors and some specific stocks, such as Nvidia, that was down 5.7% last night, really thinking about what the impact of tariffs within semiconductors could have on the company's earnings. At the open this morning with Europe, we saw European equities down this morning about 1%. So markets are reacting to this news fairly rationally. They're not panicking and selling off a lot. They're just digesting the news and adjusting their forecasts. However, what financial markets also know is that the speed of which tariffs have been put on can be taken off just as quickly, as we know in the past that Donald Trump has used tariffs as a negotiation tool. So that's all we're going to cover in today's video. We obviously had the spring update from the UK government in terms of what they're going to do for spending, and we'll have a reactionary video uploaded at the end of this week. So if you're interested in that, please keep an eye out on the YouTube channel and watch that video. So thank you very much, and we'll catch you in tomorrow's video.
This video is not a recommendation or personal financial advice. With investing, your capital is at risk. Investments can fluctuate in value, and you may get back less than you invest.